Guys, how to double underline text or cell in Microsoft Excel like this. So write your text or number, whatever you need, then select it, right click on it, format cells, and here in the font, underline select double, and here select any color and select normal font. Double, click on OK. Like this. To insert the double underline for this cell, select it in the border, more borders. Here select double, select your required color and select this one. Click on OK. Like this. So just guys, you have to select here only this down one. Like this. So thanks for watching.